Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. If this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like. Now this is a standard UI 3D design of a tracking page and a tracking website, which has weather of the current location. It has different kind of features, mobile scanning, and it has all kind of map and live map information. Now here's the official receipt. As you can see, this is standard and it is professional. And you must be wondering how we're able to achieve this result. Do not bother yourself, just stick to the end of this video to understand better. See you guys in the next segment. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now if you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment to my YouTube videos. Now this is a video which contains a different kind of delivery website you have never seen before. Now this is customized by Big Giant Tech and designed by Big Giant Tech only. Now I have to design this for a legitimate company I did back in Nigeria. So now this is a manual process. In terms of the API section is a manual for this script purpose. Now so I'm using Ostinga for this video section. So you can use other hosting for this tutorial, or using an advanced hosting like Ostinga, or use other hosting platform. I'll put in my affiliate link below this video, so you're able to go through those other hosting that are standard. Alright, so I've created my company email for Ostinga section. Now this is my hosting, which is empty. So the next section here is come to your file manager. It's still the same process for all different kind of hosting environment, maybe cPanel or hPanel or other kind of different panels design. So go to your public_HTML. If you're using an add-on domain, go to your add-on domain. Now if you're new to cPanel or new to hosting, the top right corner here, click on the settings section. Then a display or a drop down will show, or a pop-up will show. Then ensure to click on show hidden files and home directory. Okay, now this will allow most of the files to show. So the next section here is I'll go to upload. So I'll select my file. So this is my file. I'll click on open. Now this is uploading. So I'll go back to my Ostinga, my dashboard. I said you guys to create your company email account. Once you go to you can come to if you're using Ostinga, go to start your business email trial. Then you just go through the process. It's still the same thing. If you're using cPanel, go to email account, then click create account. Ensure to save your information on your notepad, which is very important. So the next section here is we have to create our database while our file is being uploaded. So I'll click on database section. If you're using cPanel, go to database wizard. Okay, so let me just fill out this information. So I've put my information here and save on my notepad. Now if you're using Ostinga, it's just this process, but if you're using cPanel, once you've inputted your database username and password, it takes you to a new section which shows you all privileges. Ensure to click on it, because if you don't, your design and your hosting won't be synchronized. So I'll click on create. So I've created my database. Next section here is if you're using cPanel, go to phpMyAdmin. So the same process here. Click on enter phpMyAdmin. So let me go back to my public_HTML. You can see my file has been uploaded successfully. So let me just extract here. So I'm using Ostinga, so I just have to put a folder name. So I'll go to the folder. Ensure to copy all information here. Select all. Then move this back to your public_HTML or your add-on domain. So I just have to delete the folder and the zip file. So let me go back to my database, my phpMyAdmin. Click on import, then select your file. So this is our database. I click on open and import this. As you can see, our information has been uploaded successfully. which is good. So go back to your public underscore HTML. The next section here is locate db.php. Edit this. So your database we created, copy your database name, just paste it. Here is for the username. Then your database password, you copy it and also paste it here. So I'll click on save. Then you exit this section, go to config.php. Okay, so we are good to go. Let me go back to my website and reload this section. So guys, this is the front end of this website, which is nice and it is sleek, as you can see. Now this is edited by Big Giant Tech and customized by Big Giant Tech only, for a legitimate purpose. Now anyway you see this script online, just know this is for Big Giant Tech. Okay, the next section here is how to log in the admin section. So it will be your domain/admin. No, so it will be your domain name /admin/on. And so this is how you log in the admin section. So go back to our PHP admin, go to admin. So to change it, just click on edit and put in your password. You can also change here. Let me just say admin global, which is your username. Then go to the password section, just go to password_hash and click on go. So go back to the admin section and there will be admin global and our password. Then click on sign in. As you can see, this is how you log into the admin section and how you create your admin information. Now this is good. Before we continue further, if you are new to Big Giant Tech, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my YouTube videos. Now the next section here is go to general settings. Now this is where you change your website's name. I'm just a Big Giant Tech demo. Okay, then you copy your website URL, remove the slash behind it. Good. So here will be your company email you created. Put your company email here, then your phone number and click save changes. Good. Now this section here, you just have to upload your logo and your favicon. So next section here is shipping settings. You can change this to, let me say Big Giant Tech. Good. So just, and you can add your terms here if you want to. Ensure to keep this on, very important. So go to let's say payment settings. Now here is for the bank transfer and also you're able to add more information here. If you're a developer, come to payment settings option. Sorry, let's say okay. So if you're a dev, go to admin payments underscore settings, then able to add more payments for crypto section here. So everything will connect to the database. So that's how it works. Okay, so I've showed you guys the settings section. Now next section here is we've done all this. Last but not the least, our email setup. Come to functions.php, edit this. Now this is for our email. So the email you created, copy your company email and let's change this to our main email. Good. Now your email password, sorry, your email password, you copy it and paste. Good. So the next section here is for the SMTP. Now if you're using cPanel, yours might be mail.yourdomainname.com or just your domain name. Once you create your email account, go to your webmail. The very first email you get is your mailbox configuration settings. So I'm using Hostinger, which is smtp.hostinger.com. Good. So we're good to go. I'll click on save, and I'll edit this section. So now let's create our first tracking information. Click up to add tracking. Okay, it automatically generates the tracking number for you, as you can see. Now the sender name here, let me just say CO Logistics. Now it might be your company who is sending the information. The sender who is sending should be a third party, which is for instance, you're making a will-be. Now who is sending should be if I'm sending to Oko in Calabar, so my name will be Big Train, which is the sender. Okay, then the sender phone number and the sender email will be here. But for this video tutorial, I'll just put the company email account email here. Then the sender address, let me just say New York. Okay, now who is receiving? This is Ochuko, okay, from Nigeria. Receiver address. Good. So next section here, keep this as pending. Always keep it as pending. Okay, once you're creating your first tracking, keep it as pending, not touch that. Now dispatch location, where is the location currently? New York, United States. Destination, where is this going? Let me just say Delta State. Nigeria. Good. So dispatch dates, let me just put, okay, this baby is being dispatched today. Delivery date, let me say next tomorrow. The time rate. Now the package content, let me say boxes of loads. Now the shipment mode, let me just say C. Just put this as yes. Oh no, doesn't matter. But yeah, it doesn't matter. I failed to remove this section, but just keep it as yes. Now total freight, keep this at 0. Do not touch that yet. Now just put your, let me say 78 kg. Now which carrier you're using, you can use your own courier. Let me just say BGT. Let the carrier reference number, keep it that way. Now cash mode, bank transfer, check, paid or pay on delivery, paid. So just keep this as let's say bank transfer. Then the image of the parcel, let me just upload an image. So then I'll click on add tracking. Good. As you can see, our tracking has been added successfully. Now this is it. Now this script works on 7.4, 8.1, 8.2, 8.3 PHP version. Okay, I'm using it on PHP version 8.3 or 2. As you can see, this is how our email is, which is sharp and which is nice. So I'll copy this. Once users can click here, it takes them to the tracking section. Okay, so come to your website now. Let's go to track and trace. No, let me just come to track and trace. Now this is the tracking page. As you can see, this is well customized with the 3D glass design, which I did. Now this is how the tracking is. It is nice, it's loading. So as you can see, this is good. This is the tracking page of the website, which has so many information. This is the origin and the destination, where it's going, and you can also scan this with your mobile phone. It takes you to the tracking page. You can see the carrier, the financial information, as you can see. Now this is good. Now users can also go to their receipts. Now this is how this is how the receipt is, as you can see. Users can also print their receipts, and also this is nice. So let me just close this section. I won't be going too deep on this because it's easy to do. Now go back to your admin. Now you just go to edit here. Now change this place to, let's say, departed. Leave here 00. Departed New York in transit. Then I'll just update here. So I'll go back again and retract this section. As you can see, in transit, which is nice. You can see the same location, which is good. So I'll go back again and edit this section. So let me just change it to Los Angeles, change it to active, and re-update this section. So I want to show you guys the difference in the map section. And users is getting constant email. So as you can see, as you can see the map here, it's active. So you can see the weather in Los Angeles. So any current location you change it to, it shows you the current weather location, shows the user the current weather location, as you can see. So this is how it works. Now, so for the admin section, go to edit again. Now add a payment option here. Let me say 5,000. Then change this to on hold, custom clearance and seals. This option requires payment option. Okay, so let me just say seized. So change this to seized. Then let me just say Egypt. So as you can see, then you can just update this. Let me just update the time and update shipment. So let me reload this tracking page. I'll go back to your email. As can users, so users are getting email constantly. So as you can see the map, it changes the direction. As you can see. So clearance required seized. If you go down to, you see the same thing. Now this file causes the total cost of every frame. So I'll just click to proceed to payment. So it takes you to the payment section here, as you can see. Now users can pay through the bank transfer, also pay through maybe Bitcoin or USDT. So let me just click on USDT. So once you click on USDT here, it takes 10 here. Then users put their full email and name and phone number, then upload payments receipts. So I'll click on submit payments. Good. You can see payment proof pending review. So once you go back to, takes you back here, it still shows until admin approve before this will be removed. So I'll go back to admin. Let me reload this section. So I'll go to payment history. You can see the payment proof here. Or what you just have to do as an admin, click on approve or you reject and click here to save. Users will also get emails. Once I come back here, reload this section, it continues. You can see it continues. So that's how it works basically. So as you go back to your dashboard, then you click on edit this section. So you can see it has been removed. Then the total cost of the file, let me just put this at 6,000. Now let me just say delivered. Change it to Rory. So changes to delivered. So click on update shipment. So as I go back to the tracking page, reload the section, estimated arrival delivered, as you can see. You can see it shows you green, meaning it has been delivered. Completion, right? Now this is nice. It is standard. So this is how the mobile view is. This is the mobile section. If users is tracking through their mobile, as you can see, it is nice. It is slick. Now this is good. Okay, so once user go to official receipts, as you can see the amount here, which is the total freight costs and charges. So this is nice. Now thank you guys for watching my video once more. If you're new to Big Giant Tech on my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment to encourage us to do more videos like this and create more designs like this. Now if you want to get Ustinga for an affordable price and get an affordable host that is perfect for all kinds of websites, check the below the video description. You're able to see most of my affiliate link. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you guys in the next video.